This combined video will demonstrate how to fabricate both the flank steak and skirt meat, as they both have similar characteristics. The flank originates at the rear portion of the belly region of the hindquarter and consists of the rectus abdominis. The flank is typically slightly over 1 kilogram or 2 pounds. The flank works well in sandwiches, as an appetizer, or served as an entree. Its coarse grain and leanness make the flank ideal for marinating. It has a very high yield and is suited for either grilling or braising. Remove any silver skin from the surface by inserting your knife just below the surface and carefully cutting away from you. Then remove any ragged edges. Notice how coarse the grain is. You can score the surface in a cross-hatched pattern to allow a marinade to better penetrate the meat or create a London broil. You can slice across the grain on a 45-degree angle for sauté or stir-fry options. Fabricating the flank is quick with little yield loss. When handled correctly, the flank can be utilized in many merchandising formats. The inside skirt shall consist of the transversus abdominis muscle only, which is located on the belly area. The outside skirt shall consist of the diaphragm, located on the beef plate. Both the inside skirt and outside skirt weigh just under 1 kilogram or about 2 pounds. Skirt meat is processed similarly to the flank steak. Its coarse grain and leanness make the skirt a natural for marinating. A high yield, it is best suited for either grilling or braising. Trimming the skirt is much like the flank, although there may be more silver skin and ragged edges. Clean those up and you're ready to portion across the grain to desired portion size. At retail, skirt meat is underutilized, possibly due to consumer and trade unfamiliarity of proper preparation and cooking. We must make this product as consumer-ready as possible. Skirt meat is a fabulous tasting product perfect for stir-fry, fajitas, and other quick and convenient applications.